Welcome to NAV Bites by Evo-Soft, where you can learn about Microsoft Dynamics NAV while you are having your morning coffee. Today we are looking at adding a purchase invoice. The most common way of purchasing and invoicing goods for resale is through a purchase order. If you are purchasing consumable goods which are not for sale, then you may not want to use purchase orders. There may also be some cases when you want to buy and invoice quickly without a purchase order being involved. In either of these situations, you can create and process a purchase invoice directly. A purchase invoice can be created from the vendor card or directly from an action on the ribbon. Today we will create it from the ribbon. Add the vendor. This will automatically populate the majority of the required information. Add the vendor invoice number. This is a number supplied by the vendor as a reference number for his invoice. This field can be set to mandatory or optional in the purchase and payable setup. If we click on Show More, you can check the information against the document you have received from the vendor. If this purchase is linked to a campaign, you can add it in the campaign number field. In the Invoice Details Fast tab, check the vendor's currency code and the payment terms. Payment terms along with the document date are used to calculate the due date for this invoice. Next, go to the Shipping and Payment Fast tab. The Ship To address defaults to the vendor's company address, but it can be changed if required. If this purchase is coming from a European vendor, then go to the Foreign Trade Fast tab and add the required fields for Intrastat reporting. Next, go to the Lines Fast tab to add the details of the purchase. If this line is for the purchase of a service or for goods that are not an item, then choose the type of GL account. Enter the account number. If you want to change the description, you are able to overtype it. Next, enter a quantity and the direct cost excluding VAT. If you want to add an item line, select the type item and fill out the rest of the line as you would a normal purchase order. A general ledger account line derives this product posting group from the chart of accounts. If this needs to be different on this invoice, you can change it. To do this, go to Choose Columns and add the VAT posting group as a field. Change this to the group required and the line and invoice value will recalculate. When the invoice is complete, click on Posting and Post or Post and Print. When the posting is complete, an option comes to view the posted invoice. From here it can be printed or emailed as required. After posting, your purchase invoice is also removed from the list. Thank you for watching. Please go to our website and look out for more NAV Bites next time you are having coffee.